Good morning, guys. Actually, yes, good morning. So today I have 2 meetings today and an hour training class that I have to attend. So I'm in a hurry actually because I don't want to be late on the meeting that we're having. So anyways, I'm gonna do that. It's really hot. I didn't expect this to be hot because yesterday it was kind of like a chilly day, but now it's like 80 something degrees outside. Let me just pull you guys over there. So anyway, after the meeting for today's video, I'm really excited because I will be doing a thrift shopping again, because I think some of you guys like that video and I do too. And then I love thrift shopping. So I have 3 locations that I want to go after, you know, my errands and meetings and stuff. So I'm gonna go after, and then I'm also doing 2 different videos today because I'm also doing like a grocery video, but I don't want to put that in the thrift shop. I want to focus the thrift shopping video only, and then I will be doing a separate video or vlog for the grocery shopping stuff like that, because I also will be doing a grocery shopping after thrift shopping. Yeah, so anyway guys, today is Friday. I'm off on Friday, and yeah, I'm gonna head. Oh, by the way, the lipstick that I'm using right now is the Super Stay, the new one from Maybelline. I have this like 2 weeks ago. This is the Super Stay Maybelline ink crayon. It's actually new. It's got a little bit dark. It's so hot. So the shade is Live on the Edge, or 05. This is the shade. And then I got my nails last Friday. This one right here, I get it short because in my job we're not allowed to do like long nails because, you know, I can't have long nails. So I try to like make it short and clean as possible. Like this is peachy nude, so right there, it's really cute. So yeah, anyway. And also, this is for my sister actually, you guys. I'm gonna give this to her. Like, this is actually for her. Like, I bought this bag for her, but since I'm not planning to send in a box anytime soon, I'm just gonna wear these. And I'm gonna use this today because it actually fits like a lot of stuff in here, like my tripod and a lot of stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna use this today. I'm gonna use it today. So yeah, this is the Coach crossbody bag, and I got it. I purchased this online like a week or two, like almost, yeah, I think like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, this is a white Coach crossbody bag, and yeah, I like it because it's kind of like cute and like everyday type of errand stuff like that. So yeah, I've been talking crazy, but anyway, I'm gonna talk to you guys later because I will be late, and I will update you guys when I'm done at the meeting. And bye.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, so I'm finally done with the meeting and the training class. So thank God. Okay, I'm really hungry. So there's Subway right across the thrift shop near, so I'm gonna eat first because I'm really hungry. Like, I'm starving. Like, my stomach is like growling. That's how hungry I am, because I just had coffee earlier and 2 crackers, and that's really not good because yeah, I was just too lazy to cook, and I'm like running late because I have 2 meetings, like I said. So anyway, I'm gonna just eat real quick, you guys, and then let's go to thrift store after. 50% off select sales, so let's go. Hey guys, so I'm here already. I'm gonna go back to the men's section. The men's section is really a good way to go because clothing, because they have like oversized shirt. Like, I found this, not a shirt, but like I found this oversized for men's, like this denim Levi's, and it's Levi's for like $10, $9.78. So I'm gonna get these. Like, I'll try it first if it fits. And they have this like flannels too. So I'm gonna go back there. There's like a lot of people over there, so I'm gonna go back, and I'm strolling and then looking for like little vintage bags, and I thought it was Fendi, but it was 9 West, but it looks like Fendi. And this kind of bag is really in right now, So I think I'm gonna buy this one and this one too. Guys, I thought this was a Louis Vuitton. I was like, what? But yeah, this is, I don't know what kind of wallet is this, but they have wallets here too and stuff. Hold up. Like makeup pouch, I think, or makeup organizer or holder, not pouch but holder. Clinique. Yeah, this is the first location, but I'm gonna go to the second location in a little bit. I'm just gonna try to fit the clothes that it's in here. So, and guys, they have wedding dresses here too, like a lot of gowns and stuff. Also guys, I want to check out like the oversized shirts, men's, because I like wearing them as like a dressy thing, like just this plain black. Well, I already have a black shirt, but just an idea. You really just gotta look through it so you can find a nice pair or like print. Okay guys, so this is the first one. It's Levi's, and oh my god, this is men's. It's size small, but it fits. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to get this. So like this in the back, and it has pockets. Okay guys, so the next one is this men's flannel shirt, which it's very cute. Like I can put it like this, like style it down like that. Like how cute it is. Like it's very like comfy, and like the quality of this one is very soft as well. So I can put it like this and like let it like insert this side of it. So yeah, it's so cute. I'm definitely getting this. I'm not getting this, you guys, because it's like 2XL. I thought it was extra large, but it was 2 times XL, which is way too big for me. I look like, I don't know, I look so funny with this one, because I was looking for like prints and stuff, but they don't really have it. But yeah, so I'm I'm gonna try this one on. This is a Calvin Klein like blouse, and it's from Calvin Klein, size small, and it's only $4.98. So I'm gonna try that one right now, you guys. So I'm not getting that because it's way too I don't like the color, and look, I don't like this thing right here, but I'm not getting these. So I have 2 more stuff, which is the bags right here. I don't know what brand is this. Let me put that up. But this one is 9 West, and it looks like the Fendi baguette bag, or I don't know how you pronounce that, I'm sorry, but look how cute is that. And hold on, here, so you flip it, and it's, wait, how much is it? It's $5, $4.98, and it's from 9 West. So I'm definitely getting this bag, and we'll check with this one, because you can like style this actually. Look, like you can like wear this, you know what I mean? So it's really cute, guys. So next stop is Goodwill. I'm just hoping that they have nice clothes over there. So overall, for the three, the denim jacket, the flannel, and the bag, it cost me plus tax is $19.02. So that's really good because Levi's are like very good quality, and I forget the brand of the flannel, and also the 9 was is kind of like good too, because I only paid for that bag for like $5, like $4.98, like $5. But she also offered me like a loyalty card just in case if, you know, like I'm gonna go thrifting again, so I'll have like points and stuff. So anyways, let's head to Goodwill. Second stop, Goodwill. Guys, I have a lot of denim shorts and stuff. Oh my god, look at my cart. I'm about to go to the fitting room. I have so much jeans here and shorts and then one dress. Guys, look at the shorts. It's large. It's kind of like big for me, but with the help of this one, I can like squeeze it in. What? So I'm definitely getting this shorts, and it's very flowy. Maybe I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. I gotta wash it first because we're going to the fair tomorrow, but this is so freaking good. Look, and it has pockets. So this is it. I'm getting it. And have a lot here. I have a lot. Okay guys, so this is Levi's. I really like the fit. Now look at my ass. But the thing is, it's way too long for me. I may just get it tailored, but it's so freaking cute, and it's like light washed. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get this. I'm definitely getting this, and it's not zipper, which is that's really cool too. It's like more of these balls. How do you call this? I forgot. But yeah, this is how it looks like. Yeah, I'm just gonna get it tailored. If it's perfectly, the other one, the two ones are way too big for me, so I'm not getting those. I think I'm gonna pass on this one, guys. It's very I don't know, I don't like it, but I mean it's good if you're like tall. Maybe this one will probably be good for you, but I'm short. And also I already tried this on. This is a champion hoodie, and I'm thinking, I don't know if I'm gonna get this one too. It's another gray hoodie. This is gray, and it has like pockets and stuff like that, and a hoodie of course, but this one doesn't have a hoodie. And I don't know, I'm gonna ask how much is this first, then if it's cheap then I'll get it. But I think I'm just gonna get the 4, so 2 hoodies or jacket, whatever it calls, one this pair of jeans, and then this one short. I'm really excited of all these 4. So by the way, this is my fit for today. Jeans I got from Ross, and then I totally forgot, I don't know if it's H&M or Forever 21, but yeah, this is the bodysuit too. And then I got this at Save More, so Cebu yan. So let's check out. So overall is $20 for 4 of the clothing, so I'm really excited to try them on. They're kind of cheap, and I kind of donate 43 cents, so you make it even for $20. Okay guys, I'm here, and then this is gonna be the last thrift store that I will be going, because I still have to do that grocery store vlog, and I want to save the battery. So anyway, I don't want to like spend a lot of money anymore, because I feel like I do have a budget when it comes to like shopping, so I don't go overboard. But this is the Salvation Army. It's a super store. So yeah, let's go, because look at this. I have 2 big bags already from Goodwill and the thrift. You guys, I'm here inside, and it's very quiet. And I don't know. Oh my god, this is cute. Like this short. It's cute, and it's $3.99. This is just for like the house. Oh my god, it's from H&M. Okay. And it's, what size are these? Hold up. Okay, medium. This is actually cute, but it's almost like fall, winter. winter. They have Hollister too. So I don't know why I'm looking for shorts here, but I mean it's still hot, but at the same time I'm looking for like winter to fall outfits or like stuff. Here they have jeans. Yellow is $7.99. I'm gonna try to find mom jeans. Guys, look what I found. Looks like a washed light wash mom jeans, and it's brand, I don't know, hold up. Oh, it's Lee. So this is cute, and it's $5.99. so I might try this one. Yeah, but this thing is fixable. I know how to sew, so I'm gonna fix that. Alright guys, so look what I found. It's a mom jeans and it fits me. Look, it's so cute. I'm gonna get these. I don't know what's the brand though, but I'm definitely getting these jeans. Oh my god, I got lucky. This is so cute. I mean, what? And it's dark wash too. Hey guys, so I'm finally done with all the thrift store that I want to visit, which is really good. I'm really happy that I found some mom jeans and some denim jacket like Levi's and stuff, because they're really good and like kind of like a vintage. That's what I've been looking for. But the only thing that I couldn't find is like extra large or large tees that has like nice print, because most of the thrift store here, they only have like those footballish print, which is I don't really like. I don't watch football, so I can't really relate. So yeah, I can't wait to like make another video for this, like how to style my, you know, the thrift clothes that I bought from, you know, the thrift store today. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog today, you guys. So if you like this thrift store, you know, shopping thrift with me, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will do more kind of like this video. I would love to do more videos like this because I'm enjoying this thrift shopping. Very sorry, because there was a car pulling up and I don't want to vlog while I go out there in the car too. So anyways, so yeah, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.